Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix your Samsung dishwasher that keeps beeping. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. Here are possible reasons why your Samsung dishwasher keeps beeping. First, the dishwasher may have poor power supply. As a result, the machine won't work well. To fix this, shut down the machine and leave it unplugged for some minutes. Then, plug the unit back on and power it up. Alternatively, you could reset the machine. To do this, find the reset button and long press it. Secondly, you're probably not using the standard detergent and rinse aid amounts. To fix this, grab the dishwasher's user manual. Study it to determine how much detergent to use in the machine for every wash. Then, apply the applicable levels accordingly. Lastly, the machine's door may not be shut completely during wash cycles. When the door is ajar during a wash cycle, it'll beep every 30 seconds. To fix this, power down the unit. Then, ensure you close the machine's door properly. Afterward, restart the machine and initiate the wash cycle. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your Samsung dishwasher that keeps beeping. Thanks for watching. Till next time.